Hi guys, Tiana Michelle here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this last minute Valentine's Day gift. Everything came from the Dollar Tree, of course, so stay tuned to see how I made it. Okay, so you're going to need 4 boxes of candy. I'm using Skittles. They didn't have any Valentine's Day boxes at my store, so I'm using 4 boxes of candy. You're going to need a glue gun, glue sticks, candy. I'm using Starburst, Skittles, and Twix. You're also going to need these imitation flowers from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a floral foam. I already cut it to fit the size of my Skittles. You're going to need one of the little bears from Dollar Tree. And you're going to need the skewer sticks from Dollar Tree. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is hot glue the Skittles around the floral foam. All right, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the little bear, of course, take off the tag. You're going to position it the way you want. So about there. Then I'm just going to glue this here. Okay. Then you're going to take your fake roses. You're going to take them off the stem. And then you're just going to glue them around the bear. I'm going to add some hot glue just for extra security. Okay, that's how it looks so far. And then I'm just going to take the skewers and I'm going to hot glue it down to the candy. And you're going to have to cut these down. So I'm just going to hot glue it down to here. And then position it the way I want. So So if I wanted that one about there, just gonna hot glue it down and then cut off the rest. So you might want to hot glue all the candy down to the sticks first, let it dry, and then position it into the foam. I also have these lollipops that I had left over from some other treats that I did, so I'm just gonna stick these here. And here's your final product. Isn't this so cute? I mean, obviously you can add more candy. Yeah, so I hope that you like this last minute DIY Valentine's Day gift. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.